Will robots take our jobs? This is perhaps the most important and frequently asked question about the future of robotics. The answer is not a simple yes or no, but a much more complex process of transformation. To understand it, we can look to the past. When the Industrial Revolution introduced machines like the mechanical loom or the agricultural tractor, it eliminated many manual jobs. However, it also created a huge number of new ones: engineers, mechanics, electricians, and factory operators. Today we are at a similar point. It's true that robots are designed to automate tasks, so they are likely to replace jobs that are repetitive, predictable, physically dangerous, or extremely meticulous. Think of assembly line work, product retrieval in a warehouse, or manual data entry. However, at the same time they automate these tasks, robots are creating a new range of jobs that require unique human skills, focused on creativity, emotional intelligence, critical thinking, and problem solving. For example, we'll need robot designers, artificial intelligence programmers, maintenance technicians to repair the machinery, and roles in the service sector like healthcare and education will become even more valuable. For most people, the change won't be a complete replacement but a job transformation. A warehouse worker won't disappear, their role will evolve from moving boxes to supervising and managing a fleet of autonomous mobile robots. A doctor will still be a doctor, but they will have surgical robots helping them in the operating room. In conclusion, the future won't be a battle between humans and robots, but a collaboration. The key to adaptation is acquiring skills that complement technology, allowing us to work side by side with machines to accomplish more than we could alone.